Hi, I'm Eric from AMP. Today we're going to be unboxing this Stinger radio replacement kit with pack integration technology. This kit has everything you need to seamlessly integrate a Stinger Elevate or Stinger HEIGH10 infotainment unit into your 2018 to 2020 Jeep Wrangler JL or 2020 Jeep Gladiator JT. Let's take a look at what's in the box. First up is the main wiring harness. Has a plug-and-play connector, so we're not cutting any wiring in the Jeep. You have your 18-inch data harness and a 6-inch data harness. These are going to connect between our pack modules. There's an AM/FM antenna adapter, pack link interface module, radio replacement interface module, HD camera retention module, CAN bus connection harness. This features two T connectors. They do plug in behind the glove box. We leave T connectors in case those CAN bus connectors are fully populated. You can simply remove one of the OEM connectors, plug ours in, and then plug the connector back into our harness. There's a chime speaker mounting accessories, the 8-inch USB hub retention adapter. This will plug into the USB port on the dash of the Jeep, allowing you to use it for charging. There's a 7-foot USB port retention adapter. This connects to the USB port inside the center console, allowing you to use it for Android Auto and CarPlay. A pack of zip ties, your Elevate display mounting panel, this is what's going to perfectly mount your Elevate display into your Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator. Your HEIGH10 display mounting panel. This allows you to mount your HEIGH10 infotainment display into your Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator. Radio module mounting brackets. And the last thing in the box are the screen panel clips and the bracket mounting screws. And that's everything that's included in the box that allows you to seamlessly integrate a Stinger Elevate or Stinger HEIGH10 into your 2018 to 2020 Jeep Wrangler JL or 2020 Jeep Gladiator JT. To keep your Stinger and pack radio replacement kit up to date, visit our website at pack-audio.com to download the latest firmware for your pack integration modules. Also visit stingerelectronics.com for the latest firmware for your Stinger Elevate or Stinger HEIGH10 infotainment unit. Thanks for watching.